Hello, welcome to the new video in the series of AI videos. As we saw the AI agents, then the multi-agents, so just up, keeping keeping up with it. OpenAI launched Agents SDK. So with this SDK, you can build multi-agents and various agents. So this is a GitHub page, so you can take a look on their platforms, openai.com as well, where they have documents on the agents. And this is a GitHub for this agents SDK, so it's pretty well documented. Okay, so what we'll do is basically I'll just show one simple example here. So you install it with pip install OpenAI agents. So I have already installed it, and I'm going to demonstrate one particular pattern which is called handoff. Okay, so I'm using a handoff multi-agent here. So this is the code. Basically from the agents you import these, right? Now again, in line with our uh, local LLM experience, I'm going to run it with ollama. So for ollama you have to use the OpenAI chat completions model. That one takes a model, so I have already downloaded this llama 3.1, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm using the async OpenAI. Now, interestingly, this one you give a base URL of where your ollama is running. So my ollama is running here, right? That you can see it's running here. That is the default URL. Now, since it's a local LLM, it doesn't have an API key, but you have to specify this attribute. Otherwise, this would fail, right? It's unused. Now, for this particular handoff, I'm going to use like a multilingual sort of agent. So it either speaks Spanish, French, or English, or Hindi. Okay, and I'm going to sort of orchestrate it using a triage agent. Okay, so the idea is very simple. You take the user input, right? Now, if it is quit, you'll quit, right? Otherwise, the triage agent, like you say, that hand off to the appropriate agent based on the language of the request. So it's going to interpret the language in the request, right, and hand it over to the handoffs, right? So it will either hand it over to Spanish, French, English, or Hindi agent. Okay. So since it's like a local Olama, it takes a while to run. So I have already executed these things. I'll just demonstrate, right? So I ran this handoff multi-agent, right? When I say hola, right, it understood it's Spanish, so it said hola, right, and que pseudo, right? Salute, right, so it knows it's French, so it says salute, comment, ka awa, quest, que que, right? Then the hi, right, English, so hello, how can I assist you today, right? Then I said namaste, it said namaste, aap kidhar se aa rahe ho, right? So this is a simple example with the OpenAI Agents SDK, right? That of a handoff, right? You can see various patterns on the agents, like there is a tool use, guardrails, right? Handoff generally or generically is called routing, right? So all this stuff you can see, either in the examples here, right, on the GitHub, right, or the documentation, or you can go to the examples folder of the GitHub and I'll see a lot of examples there, right? Handoff being one. Okay, so good luck exploring AI, the OpenAI Agents SDK. And if you like the video, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and looking forward to talking to you with more videos.